Hey guys, this is Nelson from Federal Brace. I'm here in our media room and product testing laboratory and excited to share our latest innovation, which is really taking an existing material, ferrous metal that we use in just about every product that we manufacture, and wood. And instead of traditional ways of attaching with a screw or an adhesive, we've come up with magnetism.
Magnets! Oh!
So what we're doing and what makes this unique is, just in general in the construction industry, you're having to affix, to fasten things. Let's use magnets embedded into the wooden structure, in this case corbels, and use that to attach. So we get the strength of a normal support, but now the interchangeability, the ability to change colors, to refinish, to even change design. So what we've designed is you attach it to the stud or through the drywall. We've installed magnets on the inside of the corbel, which simply...
Incredible magnetism.
All right, so with the click corbels, we've got different designs, different face, whether it's flat, curved, radius, a pyramid, so a number of different choices, depending on what the aesthetic, what the design intent is in that environment. Traditionally, you would attach your corbel to the metal bracket using fasteners, but now with the click magnetic corbel, that step has been completely removed in favor of a simple click attachment.
Click it. Click it.
And again, these can be painted, can be stained any color, but the main advantage is the interchangeability, the ease of installation, the amount of time it saves in the field. You've got everything you need. You can easily take it off, put it back on, do what you need to do. So we designed with the installer in mind, and that's exactly what we've done here. Ease of installation, that saves time and money in the field, which in turn puts money in your pocket.